This is how you make your own custom bench press when you have to make do with no weights. So you've got a bench, a kettlebell, a Lego tub, and a tub for Hot Wheels. And let's see if it is effective bench press. Whoa. Oh, I just hit me in the head. Oh, my weight just hit me in the head. Oh. This is how you make your own custom bench press when you have to make do with no weights. So you've got a bench, a kettlebell, a Lego tub, and a tub for Hot Wheels. And let's see if it is effective bench press. Whoa. Oh, I just hit me in the head. Oh, my weight just hit me in the head. Oh.
Shoot the lake. Why do people say shoot the lake? Oh. Well, I shot the lake.
Yeah.
Lieutenant Drebin, police squad.
Oh, I remember you, Drebin. What do you want?
I want to ask you some questions. You familiar with that face?
I don't know. My memory ain't so great.
Oh, yeah? Maybe this will refresh your memory.
I don't know. It's still kind of hazy.
How about this?
Yeah, I remember him. I used to see him around. Why do you want to know?
I can't tell you that.
Well, maybe this'll help.
I really don't think I should.
Yeah, you still don't think so?
All right, his name is Nordberg. He's a cop.
He was no cop. He was dealing H.
What?
I'm telling you, he was dirty.
Oh, you sniveling scum. I ought to run you in right now.
All right. He worked at Ludwig Shipping. He tried to push something on one of my boys. I swear it. So what are you going to do about it, copper?
Well, why should I tell you?
Maybe this'll help.
I still don't think I should tell you.
Can you spot me at 20? How about now?
All right, I'm going down to Ludwig's office. I'll find out if you're telling the truth.
That's it?
Yeah.
Do it again? Oh no, that wasn't it. Pick it up. Bit of a late reaction there, mate.
I don't know, let's load another mag and have some fun shooting with it. All right, so